大家好，我是嘉辉，欢迎来到英台实验室。今日共款要来小解5句的英语甲台语的讲法。第一句 ，Do you want to buy something? Do you want to buy something? 会当讲你敢有想要买啥？你敢有想要买啥物？第二句是 Could you drive car? Could you drive car? 请问你敢会晓驶车？请问你敢会晓驶车？第三句 ，Do you want drink coffee? Do you want drink coffee? 台语会使讲，你敢有想要啉咖啡？你敢有想要啉咖啡？第四句是 What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? 会使讲，请问你喜欢食啥物？请问你喜欢食啥物？第五句是 How do you do? How do you do? 会使讲你最近好无？也是讲你最近敢好？应该实验室就到这，咱后摆再会。